Hello everyone, my name is Mashkoor Ali. In today's video, we're talking about something important but often confusing. Federal Income Tax Liability. This simply means how much tax you are required to pay to the IRS based on your yearly income. Let's walk through the basics step by step so you can understand it clearly. So first, what exactly is Federal Income Tax Liability? Tax liability is the total amount of federal income tax that you owe to the government in 1 year. If you earn money, maybe from a job, a small business, freelancing, or even rental income. Based on how much you earn, the government decides how much tax you should pay. That amount is called your income tax liability. Now let's understand how it's calculated. It depends on a few things. How much money you made in the year, called your gross income, your filing status, single, married, head of household, etc. Your deductions, like standard deduction or itemized deductions, any tax credits you qualify for, like child tax credit or education credit. After applying deductions and credits, you get your taxable income. Then the IRS applies a tax rate to that amount. This is how your final tax liability is decided. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you made $50,000 in 1 year. Now, let's say your standard deduction is $13,850 for a single person in 2025. So, $50,000 minus $13,850, $30,150. This is your taxable income. Now, the IRS will apply different tax rates to different parts of that $30,150. These are called tax brackets. For example, first portion may be taxed at 10%, the next portion at 12%, and so on. After the calculation, your total federal income tax liability might come out to be around $4,000 to $5,000, just as an estimate. That's the total tax you owe for the year. You may wonder, but I already paid taxes from my paycheck. Yes, if you have a job, your employer probably takes out tax from each paycheck. This is called withholding. At the end of the year, you file a tax return and the IRS checks. If you paid more than your tax liability, you get a refund. If you paid less, you have to pay the difference. So in simple words, federal income tax liability is just the amount of money you owe to the IRS based on how much you made during the year. It's not as scary as it sounds. Once you understand the basics, it's pretty straightforward.